Hello, my name is Karol. I'm here to present our latest design. It's the WA-COMPACT version, which is combining of a manual operated column and boom and cross-slide containing of oscillation units, Z-axis seam tracker, which allows us to perform a lot of applications, including welding stiffeners, welding box beams, etc. The welding arm compact consists of a manual operated mini column and boom. We have wide range of moves. Now with the cross slide we are able to precise adjust the welding torch and set the seam tracker. Seam tracker gives us freedom of setting our workpiece, not necessarily 100% perfectly parallel to our welding arm. Okay, it's possible to adjust the altitude of oscillation, so oscillation width, and oscillation speed. Also, we are able to set the dwell times. So on the left-hand side, the right-hand side, and the middle, we have access to advanced settings, so we can set our oscillation, set the patterns of the oscillation. So we can also program the behavior of the whole device after the job is done. So each time the welding arm compact is reaching its limits, so the end of the track. We're also able to set the stitch welding option. We are able to program the length of the weld, the skip, and the overall length of the weld, or the stitch weld in this case. We are also able to program the back weld and crater fill at the end of the seam. Also, we are able to program the behavior of the power source, if the power source has an option to it, how the arc will behave. Also, we are able to set the tracking both in Y and Z axis, also in the Z axis and only on Y axis depending on our needs. Also, we are able to set the metric system, either the imperial system for the measurement. And that's it.